Bright Suns, World Travelers.
Bright Sun.
I'm Tanya.
And I'm Dave.
And we are Turn It Up World. Welcome to
Star Wars
Galaxy's Edge! Right, so we are headed to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. It is so exciting for us to be here, especially around this time of year. It is not as busy according to the app. The wait time for these rides seem to be between 50 minutes to an hour. Not bad.
Yeah.
And we are here during a time where they're going to be having the not so scary Halloween party this evening. So we are going to have some fun with that.
Yeah, no, definitely excited. I mean, I grew up with Star Wars, just love Star Wars so much, so definitely excited to check it out, kind of get taken into the world.
Oh, yeah.
And, ride the Millennium Falcon, Smugglers Run. It's supposed to be a lot of fun. Wow, check out that Rebel fighter. Very cool. Oh, yeah.
Yes, Master Yoda. I think I can do it. I think I can do it.
You don't think, you either do or you don't.
Okay, I'm doing it. But first, I need some of that Olga's alcoholic beverage.
Absolutely. What is that, Tanya?
We have collected our first orb.
Wow, that's it.
According to Gio, the one that we bought it from the scrapyard from, she said it's going to protect us. Hopefully, she's right. Otherwise, I have my communicator.
Yeah,
and we will detonate her butt.
It looks curiously like Coca-Cola or Coca-Cola orb.
Oh, darn you.
No, I'm sure it's much more powerful.
I think so. It depends on if it has real sugar or corn syrup.
I think it's an energy drink. I think you're begging for trouble with that thing.
I'm looking for trouble. Look.
Oh, what is that strange elixir?
I don't know.
Strange elixir. What is that?
I don't know. It's made from a company called Elke. Sounds American.
Right.
Troopers! I want recon and patrol units in the streets! If that spy is here, I want her found! Failure is not an option for any of us! Understood!
Affirmative. Civilians, better get back to that sightseeing. Enjoy the day.
Wow, speaking of detail, we just saw like the top of that Millennium Falcon ship, and the detail was absolutely incredible. I mean, they had so much from the grates, like Dave was saying.
Oh, really cool.
The fuel, right?
Yeah. Looks like it's getting connected. Ready to go.
Ready for us to pilot.
We are ready.
Or shoot, or engineer.
Yeah, we're ready for it all.
We're ready for it all.
Disruptors,
And here we are, check it out. There's like a little show here.
Ship them. Well, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this is the group I've been waiting for.
Wow, so we are pilots, and we got them just simply by asking. So you know what? It's always good to ask, and thou shalt receive. Woo!
You end up getting it!
Yeah, oh, you too, yeah.
Engineer!
Gunners! We're the gunners! Yes!
Yeah.
You guys are ready to crash.
Wow, look at that.
Wow. I'm just hoping whoever's in our ship is aware that this is the first time we've ever flown one of these things.
Yeah, I can't fly. I can't even see.
We're about to get the briefing on how to operate this ship.
Wait, so how does this go?
So we had a whole party.
Here we go.
Hold on, never mind. You better listen up.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. Now get a move on. And no
For your safety, remain seated and supervise your legs.
All right.
Here we go. Yeah.
So I guess we kind of.
So you guys are the gunners?
Yes. Do you know what we're supposed to do?
Wow. That was so awesome. And even Wow, that was awesome. If you come here, you definitely need to get the pilots because that was just amazing.
Yeah, it's fun to be in the front.
This is DJ Rex coming to you live from the cockpit of Uga's Cantina, playing contraband sounds from around the galaxy.
Here we go. Cheers, my darling. If this is the last thing we ever do, may it be wonderful.
I hope it's not the last thing we do.
Woo! That's not bad. Ooh,
That is
strange.
really good.
This has a little tingle.
Yes, that one is supposed to be the one that gives you like a numbness to your lip.
It does,
And this is just going to be a sugar overload with Alka-Seltzer. Really neat shop. It's like the antiquity shop. Great spot to cool off in and to check out some of the neat things from the heads on the walls, the various animals that have been caught and beheaded, the weaponry that they have here. Regarding the lightsaber maker session. So they're pretty much booked up right now through January, but you can do walk-in sessions. According to the books behind us, it's about 199.99 credits or dollars. So you can do the walk-ins. The wait time right now is about 25 to 40 minutes, which is not terrible, but if you want to make that session, it's about $200 per person.
Now this is really cool. It's a new Skyliner. It's a gondola that goes from Hollywood Studios to Epcot, and it moves along really quickly. I'm looking forward to taking it. It's really fun.
Really fast.
Yeah, look at that. It cruises.
That was awesome. We had a really great time here.
Yes, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, I think we are starving right now. So we are just gonna go back to our hotel, get something to eat, chill and relax before tonight's main event at Magic Kingdom, the not so scary Halloween party. So we made it here to Magic Kingdom. Woo, you could already hear the not so scary Halloween music going on back there. It looks like a really cool kind of party.
Yeah, it sounds like a party for
yes,
sure.
for sure. I think there's a parade or something going on right now. We might want to get in there to catch that. So I think we should get this going.
I think so too.
Let's go!
Oh, hurry up!
So that was an incredible parade. It was awesome to be able to catch a tail end of that. We are now waiting for T-minus, I believe, 20 minutes and countdown for the fireworks to begin here on the Not So Scary Halloween party. If you can't tell, because of all of the blue color, my costume is the Oompa Loompa.
Black lights. A lot of black lights going on here. Black lights. They're all over the place.
The adults are allowed to dress up, just no face masks.
No face mask.
Perfect. There we go. Now we got it.
But face paint is allowed, just not mask.
Exactly.
Yeah, paint your face. Paint your face, but you can't wear a mask. Who knows?
That's so funny. Well done.
fireworks show was
great.
unreal.
Oh my God.
I mean,
yeah.
there is just, I don't know, something amazing about the lights that they have constructed on that castle.
Yeah. That's
It
incredible.
just seems so surreal.
Yeah, there's no comparison between this and Hogwarts Castle.
No, not at all.
Right.
Not
The
at all.
lights
And
are very different.
they're very different.
Yeah.
So this is really cool. So of course we can't come to Magic Kingdom on Halloween festival, I guess you would say the Halloween festivities going on, without going on, what are we going on?
She's looking at you.
What are we going on?
The Haunted Mansion.
Oh, that's right. The Haunted Mansion. And David is having a staring contest with one of the heads. An eye staring contest. Because the eyes move.
The eyes moving.
Freakily move.
I know.
We're about to have a beautiful time.
I remember this, yeah.
Master Gracie's been late.
By a large snapping.
What rhymes with hurdle and snaps at you?
Turtle.
Turtle is perfect! Oh, poor Myrtle must have been shell-shocked. Oh, it's
Welcome
Something tells me I'm not in the right house.
to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your host.
Of a host.
It looks like you're holding court.
Well, one of the fairies over there was flirting with me.
Hey, so the Haunted Mansion ride, it was okay.
Yeah, it's okay. I do like kind of the lighting effects with, I mean, you kind of see whatever's called. You know,
Yes,
you get the,
I agree. I agree. All like the laser lighting of
Yeah,
that
the laser
animation
lighting,
in there.
exactly.
It's really cool.
Holograms.
Yes.
Holograms.
Yes,
That's what I'm trying to say. Holograms. I love the holograms.
Yeah,
Those are
they're
cool.
really cool.
I think they're gonna be a lot better. Probably
agree.
pretty soon.
So it was nice because the wait was only, it wasn't even really a wait.
No, it wasn't at
You
all.
walk in and you were like right there.
Yeah, I kind of like that. At night here at Magic Kingdom, you can kind of get into these rides pretty quickly.
Yes,
usually.
you can.
Except for that darn dwarf ride.
I know.
We're getting on that one this year.
We have to do that before we leave. We
Yeah.
have to try and do that. At least we'll do our best to do that. Yeah. Here we are, Splash Mountain. David picked this. We better not get soaking wet. A little wet's okay. Is he dancing back there? He's dancing. Oh man.
Oh no! We're gonna get wet!
Here we go.
Oh no!
Here we go.
I know there's other where they like spray on you.
Oh god. This camera's gonna be destroyed.
Yeah, you put this plastic over it if you need to.
Oh! Damn. Oh, that's not good.
Get in there! Look at that. Get in there!
Get in there! How do we look?
I am wet! That was fun! I'm screaming!
Wow. So the objective was to hit Splash Mountain. We did Splash Mountain. We're gonna take a quick look at these hideous photos of these ugly faces you make going down this, and then we're off to hopefully catch the last ride.
Nice.
So we made it. 15 minutes. So that was a great
Yes!
time.
Oh my god, I love Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party.
It was definitely not scary, but
Yes.
it was amazing. It was just awesome.
One thing I love about Disney though, and I said it before, is that you start celebrating so early.
Yes.
You know, I'm not really thinking Halloween,
No.
but you come to Disney, you're thinking Halloween.
Yeah, they're already trick-or-treating. I mean, bags full of candy.
Yeah.
Now, we didn't fill our bags up, but we thought it was save it for the kids. But we did get pretty much 2 gallons of ice cream, and I put it right into my belly.
Yes. We got on some fun rides.
Yeah.
We got on Splash,
We
which
did.
we destroyed one of our cameras. Maybe. Hope not. Fingers crossed.
Hope not. For his sake, I hope
Oh
not.
yeah, it was my idea.
But the one that I was really more excited
yeah.
about for that one was Mine Train.
Well, the
Seven
dwarf, the
Mine
Seven Dwarf
Train.
ride, yes.
That was awesome.
That was great.
That was
And
really awesome.
Our first time on it, actually.
Yeah. So mission accomplished.
Oh,
Boom,
yeah.
Right. So
Oh, yeah.
yeah. So that about does it for us. We're
Yes.
gonna pretty much put this on wraps because we have a early flight to catch.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness gracious. We're heading back to Austin, Texas for a little bit, but we have an adventure coming up. So
Yes.
stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned.
Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate your time. As always, if you haven't, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get ping every time we post something new and exciting. Again, thank you, and we look forward to seeing you
On the road.